In the ancient Egyptian pantheon, Thoth holds the esteemed position of the scribe of the gods. Renowned for his intellect and wisdom, Thoth was tasked with recording the judgment of the dead during the weighing of hearts ceremony, where he meticulously noted the deeds of souls entering the afterlife. His role was vital in maintaining cosmic balance, as he ensured that the principles of truth, justice, and fairness were upheld among the deities and in the world. Thoth is also celebrated as the inventor of writing and is credited with the creation of hieroglyphs, the sacred script of ancient Egypt. This innovation marked a significant advancement in human communication, allowing the recording of history, rituals, and knowledge for future generations. Thoth's contributions to the written word extended to all forms of knowledge, making him a central figure in the education and intellectual pursuits of the civilization. As the god of wisdom, he embodied the connection between thought and expression, representing the value of knowledge and literacy in Egyptian society. Associated with the moon, Thoth was more than just a god of writing. He was also regarded as a lunar deity. His connection to the moon underscored his role in the measurement of time. Thoth was believed to govern the lunar calendar, helping to regulate the cycles of nature and agricultural practices. This relationship with the moon added an additional layer to his character, as it symbolized cycles of renewal and enlightenment. Finally, Thoth served as an important mediator among the gods, using his wisdom to resolve disputes and restore harmony in the celestial realm. His ability to navigate conflicts with diplomacy and rationale established him as a key figure in maintaining stability among the divine entities. By embodying the qualities of patience, understanding, and intellect, Thoth ensured that the balance of order was preserved, both in the heavens and on earth. In summary, Thoth is a pivotal deity whose domains encompass wisdom, writing, and mediation. As the scribe of the gods, he played an essential role in judgment and the maintenance of cosmic balance. His invention of writing radically transformed communication, while his lunar association highlighted the importance of time and cycles in Egyptian life. Thoth's legacy as a wise mediator and protector of knowledge continues to resonate, reflecting the ancient Egyptians' profound respect for intellect, learning, and harmony within their world.